In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your JPEGs into PNGs completely for free. Now right here is a little kept secret that not many people know about. This website's called tinywow.com. Now what I'll do is link this down in the description below. Now on here, they have over 100 tools which you can use completely for free, and you don't even need to sign up for an account. Now if we click on all tools, come through, we can see the vast amount of free tools that you can use, again, completely for free. Now what we're going to use is JPEG to PNG. So if there's a tool that you want to use, we can click on the search bar and type in JPEG to PNG. We're going to click search, and now here's the tool. If we click on there, all we now have to do to convert our JPEG to a PNG is to upload from here, or we can just drag and drop the files. So if we find our image, I have the JPEG just here, we're going to drag that in. It's going to take a second to do its thing. Then once it's done, we can simply click on download, save to device, and there we go. We now have our PNG file just here, which we created from our JPEG. So that's how to convert a JPEG to a PNG completely for free using TinyWow. Now if you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more of my content, then click right here and have a watch of this.